Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. In this episode, we're going to go ahead and jump into the Porsche 918 Spyder. This is one of the sexiest Porsches they ever made. It's actually a hybrid, and it's just as fast as some of the fastest hypercars out. As you could tell, it's such a beautiful car. It was meant to replace the Carrera GT, and I think they did an excellent job. I would definitely take one of these in my garage. I'm not sure which color I'd take personally, but as you can see, I picked yellow for this today. We're going to go ahead and take this one for a drive and see what it do. We're going to take it from factory fresh to a custom sick design, and you're going to get to see my design of it after we rip this one. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and take this one for a drive. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Also hit the bell for notifications. That way you're the first to know when I put out a new video. Let's go ahead and take it into my design of the Porsche 918. I went with that light gray. I actually carboned and blacked out the top. I threw some yellow accents on there and actually threw a carbon stripe going from the front of the hood just to the end of the hood. I didn't bring it all the way down. I like how it looks a little bit separated. But let's go ahead and take this bad boy for a drive. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is. Huge shout out to Microsoft, Take 10 Studios, and Playground Games for making the best driving game out right now. I definitely can't wait till Horizon 5 comes out. And as you can see there, we got the music credit, Bomb Music. Check the info below.